I've made it to the Friction and Flyballs website, and the first thing I need to do is make sure that I read what this website is about before I just start clicking on things. So I'm going to begin up here and read the little section, and it says when you hit a baseball, speed, angle, and air resistance all affect how far it travels. When I look down on the picture, then I see that I can change the place in which my ball will get hit, whichever ballpark. I can change the angle and I can change the speed. Now, in this paragraph, it talked about speed, angle, and air resistance. And I see air resistance, but I don't see air resistance down here on my picture. And so I have to think, well, what could be affecting the air resistance? So if I begin to check things out, I'm going to click here and change the location, and I'm going to change it over to Milwaukee. And I see that by changing it to Milwaukee, the elevation has changed. So New York is down close to sea level, but Milwaukee is quite a bit higher. And so I'm wondering if maybe that has something to do with the air resistance. And the title of this is called Friction and Fly Balls. So if it's talking about friction and it's talking about air resistance, I might think to myself, how are those related? So I can also change the angle. So let's try it without changing the angle. Let's hit our ball. Oh, it didn't seem to go that far. 205 feet. That's not so much. Let's see if we can increase that. I want to change the angle a little bit. Let's increase that, and then let's increase the speed. Let's try that again. It made a slight difference. So I have to think about that. Would the angle, increasing the angle help, or increasing the speed? Which one made it go a little more? And I'm thinking actually I need to drop the angle down a little bit. We'll see. And I'm going to I'm going to keep the speed. And let's try that again, because I only really want to change one thing at a time. Ooh, that made it go even farther. So I'm going to keep trying that with the different elevations to see if I can make sense of what is going on.